Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video, guys, I will show you exactly how I trade gold, guys. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video, guys. So, guys, this is what I'm watching, guys. In this video, guys, I'm gonna analyze gold for you guys for what I'm expecting gold to how gold will move next week, guys. So, guys, right now, guys, I'll just look at the current market, guys, not the past market, guys. I'll just look at the current market. I don't want to make this video long, guys. So, guys, what gold did last week, guys, on Friday, guys, it broke structure here. This is the 4-hour time frame, guys. It broke structure to the downside. For now, gold is bearish, so it broke structure, created a break of structure. So what I'm expecting from gold, I expect gold to come back to this order block, to this bearish order block here. This bearish order block, change the color because it's bearish. So what I'm expecting gold to do is to come and come back here. This is what I'm expecting gold to do, but I'll break it down even further down, guys. So let's do this, guys. Gold also created a change of character to the upside. Created a change of character here. Change character. Some of you call it the market structure shift. It came to mitigate this bullish order block. So, but there was a small resistance here. So gold failed to break this resistance. Okay. Let's go to the H1. So I will remove this order block because it was already mitigated, this one. So try to find another one. Let's see what gold is doing. You see gold, guys, here it created a double bottom, guys. So and then it rejected, so which means it is coming down. So this is what I'm looking at. I'll take my fib tool, take it from this high and to my low. This is a bullish order block. There's also a small resistance around this one here. So guys, I'll show you what I expect, what I expect on gold. Since gold is like this, guys, so gold might do this. I'll see when the market's open. We'll watch how the market moves. But this might happen. This will be my I'll just break down everything I see on gold, guys. What I'm expecting, every scenario, guys. This is first scenario on the buys. But usually the stop loss must be here under this low. But for me, it's a big stop loss. So that's why I just like every time I go to the smaller time frame, I wait for confirmation before I enter, guys. I just wait for market structure shift, maybe because now I'm on the H1. I go to the 15 minutes, wait for a market structure shift, something like this, so that I can enter. Usually, that's what I do. I do not just enter because price just came to our order block. I don't enter blindly. I wait for confirmation first. And then another scenario can also break out of here, retest, come back here. Let me put it here so that the chart can be clean and not confusing. But the overall move I'm expecting on gold are sells, guys. I'm looking to short gold to just until to this 4-hour low. This 4-hour low here, guys. So guys, what you can do to scalp, guys, if maybe the market opens and you are still up, guys, if the market maybe creates this move and breaks from here, you can also take the sells, can short gold to these zones, to this order block here, to this order block here. So guys, I don't want to make this video long, guys. Please, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video, guys, so that the channel can grow, guys, so that I will also start doing a live trading, guys. So in order for me to do live trading, I need to have 50 subscribers. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and also share the channel. I'm new to this, guys, so don't be surprised. Don't be biased. Don't stick to one bias, guys. Just look at how price moves. Okay, there are many opportunities here, guys. Here's another opportunity here. You can also take these longs for scalping. You can also scalp here. So guys, I'm giving you different scenarios, guys. So don't miss a trade here, guys. But these two are the main trades we are looking at. Okay, guys. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video, guys. And also comment, guys. You can also join my free WhatsApp channel, my free WhatsApp group. The link will be in the bio or in the description, guys. Thanks for watching. Cheers.